what's allowed you guys to be successful?
Loud home environment. Anytime you face a shotgun team, whether they go on the indicator of the center's guard tap, or guard looks up or taps the center, or they go on the clap. If they go on the clap, you have a chance to get some false starts. They go on an indicator, your guard or center is blind a little bit. So you create a competitive advantage due to having teams go on indicators. Same thing every team does on the road in a loud environment. It's not just here, it's every place. But you have to be able to create it loud enough for a team to have to worry about it. And the last few games here, dating back to last year, we've created an environment that you do have to worry about the noise, and you do have to adjust, how you go about business. So, it's been a huge advantage for us.